In a bid to strengthen Nigeria's disaster preparedness and response mechanisms, the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, has engaged members of the National Assembly committees overseeing emergency and disaster management in a strategic dialogue aimed at deepening legislative collaboration and institutional support. The retreat themed Building a Resilient Nigeria, Strengthening Legislative Collaboration for Effective Emergency Management brought together lawmakers from both chambers of the National Assembly and senior NEMA officials to explore new approaches for policy alignment, effective oversight, and sustainable resource mobilization. Director General of NEMA, Zubaida Umar, represented by the Director of Planning, Research and Forecasting, Onimode Abdullahi Bandele, noted that the retreat was convened to enhance mutual understanding between the legislature and the Agency on Disaster Preparedness, Response and Risk Reduction. She explained that the engagement was crucial for harmonizing NEMA's relationship with the National Assembly, aligning policy directions and securing legislative backing for institutional reforms and sustained investment in national resilience. The chairman of the Senate Committee on Special Duties, Senator Kakashehu Lawan, represented by Senator Abdul Ningi, commended NEMA for creating a platform for policy dialogue and reaffirmed the Senate's commitment to strengthening the country's emergency management framework. He emphasized the need for improved coordination, legislative responsiveness, and budgetary commitment to safeguard lives and national assets against emerging disaster risks.